Hey traders, welcome back to another recap video. So shorted gold today made about 11,000 plus dollars. So if you look at the trade history here, some of you always ask me why is it like 16k deposit. Is because this is just my daily P&L, right? Normally I just show my daily history. So because sometimes I don't want all of you know how much money do I have, right? Just be honest for privacy purposes. So shorted gold today. Also wanted to short dollar cap. I cancelled my sell limit order. Made about $11,445. Today I also deposited about 4.9k into this account. A lot of times when I have more cash flow from other business come in, I'll reinvest them into my personal capital. That's what all of you should be doing as well, which is reinvesting your money instead of spending them. So you can actually see I had a auto transfer here, 900 bucks, and I have a checkout. Checkout means, SC means I'm using my credit card to top up to my account, 4,000 bucks. So live account, see that? ICMarket live, my name here, the account number. So this is for transparency purposes. Now let's go into the chart. Before we get started, I also want to show all of you, I actually requested $10,000 withdrawal here. Again, full transparency, refresh, just to show all of you this is real. Sorry, yeah, see that? Refreshed ICMarket global. If you scroll down, you can actually see ICMarket PayPal withdrawal, $10,000 processing. So just to let all of you know, if the account doesn't have anything above $10,000, you actually cannot request the amount. Okay, withdrawal receipt is here. See that? Account number, my name, that's it. So let's have a look at gold right now. So my overall view on gold has been bearish since, I'll say, early November. The main reason being gold has been on a heavy rally for a very long time, and since the massive reversal here on 31st of October all the way down into mid of November, that was when I actually told all of our trade club traders we are potentially looking at some shift of structure on gold. But very unfortunately, I missed out this short. I also missed out this short. I was only able to capture part of this, but this entire piece I actually missed out on them. Why? Because I didn't have the patience. I have to be very honest. Yeah, I just didn't have the patience. I actually shorted gold right here based on this squeeze. And guess what? I shorted here, covered my position for about $6,000 just to see price melt down for about 1,200 pips. But anyway, this time around is technically the same setup. And if you look at here, price attempted to go back, revisit this 2708. Since 15th of November, we had a massive retracement, really deep retracement, pulling back into 2711. And I told all of our trade club traders, if price actually close and hold above this 2710, that means we are no longer looking to short gold. But because price reversed from there, that means gold is still bearish. Very simple. Then if you drop down to lower time frame, if I were to remove all of these distractions here, we have a nice bearish impulse and we have some temporary sideways movement. Remember, when price form this kind of tight consolidation after a bearish impulse is always a sign of, you can call it, distribution phase. That means market is actually waiting for more liquidity. They're trying to gather more buyers, in order for the market to drop. And that's why I told all of our trade club traders we are watching out this 2654 based on one of our patterns, which is TPF. I won't go into detail. So basically we have a left shoulder hit right shoulder. We were looking at this TPF zone for a potential short, and I missed out this short here as price consolidate for some time. We started the consolidation since 2nd of December and all the way until today about 9 o'clock New York on early New York session. That's when we started seeing some nice selling pressure, and I've been watching out this swing low for some time, because to me, if price can break below this swing low, that means what? Sellers are overcoming buyers. And that's why earlier when we broke below this 26.42, I was simply putting in a sell limit order at 26.43, fairly tight stops, and I was confident that we are at least going to see a push into this zone. So why did I decide to close my position there? It was because I actually held on to the position with an open target. I wanted to see if there's any potential where I can squeeze 20k, anything beyond that. At peak, the position was running about 14 to 15k, and after seeing the bounce, right now it's about 1:54 a.m. here, or almost 2 a.m. here in Malaysia. So after seeing the rejection, I was happy to just call it a day. I closed the position for, like what I say, about 11.5k, and yeah, that's basically it for the trade recap. So like what I always tell all of you, preparation is key. These 5 figures trade, it's not really that big, to be very honest. 10k trade is quite common to my own personal trading, but anyway, also shows some transparency to all of you. Preparation is key. It's all about waiting for the right setup. It's all about waiting for the right confirmation, and yeah, withdraw $10,000 probably will be hit when I wake up. Normally when I withdraw right now, ICMarkets, their speed is quite fast. It will normally hit my PayPal account, and by then I will post it on our public Telegram channel and also on my YouTube community post. So that's it for the quick recap here, and I hope all of you learned something new. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.